Hello friends! Today I'm going to show you how to draw this chibi. Enjoy the madness! To start off, you are going to draw a circle. It's gonna look something like this. I don't usually make my circles look good. I just kind of... There's a circle. You're welcome, world. From the circle, I'm going to draw two curved lines down, which is going to be the beginning of the, like, cheekbones. Then you're going to draw a line down the middle, and with that line down the middle, you're going to connect the cheekbones. Which will then be converted into a chin. Just like that. We're going to draw these two ovals at the side for the ears. I think that looks pretty good. That's pretty good. Right? Right. Underneath the chin, you're going to draw two lines. They don't have to be curved. Since they are so short, it really doesn't make much of a difference. But you are going to have to draw two curved lines coming out from the neck. Just like that. These are now going to be the shoulder lines, right there. Yeah. Underneath the shoulder lines, you're gonna kind of make it into a rectangle, sort of like this, except you're not going to connect these lines to the shoulder lines. You're just gonna make this kind of rectangle. It does get slightly thinner down at the bottom. Yeah, I'm not exactly making it look like this model. It's just a nice, handy thing to have around when I need a reference. But yeah, moving on from that, you're going to make another rectangle underneath that for the waist. And then from the waist, you're going to draw a sort of triangular thing, which are now the hips. Okay, now that you have this triangular shape, this is kind of a weird technique, but it's one that I've found works really, really well. What you're gonna do is from this triangular shape, you're gonna draw two ovals. Like that. Just make a couple of ovals. Underneath those ovals, you're gonna make two other ovals, which are then going to count as the calves, lower leg. Yeah. Now you have the legs. From the legs, you'll just do this quick little... I like to make this curved line right here a little more curved and come down a little bit more than this one. Then from this one, you're going to do like this. Probably... I wonder if I could zoom in. There. Okay. So you're going to make this kind of like... And then connect those two to the longer curved line. Do it again over here. Longer curved line, one that curves in, and then one that is just kind of there. make your little thing. Weird curve. I don't know how to explain this. And then you connect the two. It looks a little bit like one's longer than the other. I probably should have fixed that, but it's fine. It's good. Now you're going to do the same technique that we did with the legs to make the arms. You're gonna make one oval right here, or two ovals, I guess, because I can't keep track. So 2 ovals and then 2 other ovals underneath, which will be the forearms. Then for the hands, I mean, hands, all you're really gonna do is kind of a similar way that we did the feet. We're gonna have these 2 lines like this. Then you kind of make this curved line into an oval shape like that. And then you come back down and connect it to this curved line. I should just title this video How to Draw Curved Lines, because in all honesty, that's all I'm doing here. I also kind of like to add these, like, sometimes, not always, but sometimes I add these extra little things in the back that look like fingers, I guess. After you've completed all of that, we're ready to get done, or get to the fun stuff, so we're not going to be needing this model anymore. Yeah, we'll just put that somewhere else. We're gonna start off with the eyes. I already have a video on how to draw eyes, so if you really want to know how to do this, you can look at that. Okay, so I've basically got the eyes down. So now what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna move on to the mouth. I'm going to erase this line here in the middle. For the mouth, what you're gonna do, or at least what I like to do, is I like to draw these, well, actually, we'll do the big mouth. We could do the simple mouth, but I like to do the big one for Chibis. For the big one, I'm gonna draw this curved line that's really, really high up. And then we're gonna curve down. Around to make a mouth. Inside of that mouth, draw another curved line, like every other line in this drawing. Then you can fill in the inside. That way it looks like it's this enormous open mouth. It looks kind of cute. For the hair, you're going to draw these kind of triangular lines, curved lines, of course. Draw a lot of curved lines for the bangs, like this. They sort of look triangular, so they're like, like just like that. Sometimes you can have them vary direction. Like over here they're curved that way, and now this way they're curved more to the left. Near the cheeks, I have 2 that are a little bit longer. I just like how that looks. But from those, well, actually not from those, we'll just start up here. You can make a curved line a little bit above where the original circle was, which was right here. You're gonna draw another circle-ish shape. It's gonna go down like that. Now it sort of looks like she has hair. Yep. After that, we're going to draw even more curves. Curved triangles. And I like to add more inside of the hair. That way it looks like strands. When you go in to draw the clothes, you're going to erase all of the guidelines. When you do erase the guidelines, that does mean you're probably going to have to go back and redefine things, because sometimes that gets messed up. After you've redefined everything, you're going to go in to do the clothes. The clothes, you're going to start with this kind of curved line underneath the neck. I'm actually, because I keep changing my mind, I'm actually going to make the neck a little bit smaller, a little bit thinner, just because I like how that looks a little bit better. So underneath the neck, you're going to draw these two curved lines that are in turn going to be, or that in turn is going to be the collar of the shirt. Over on the shoulders, you're going to draw a line down that is going to curve back into the torso area, and that will be the sleeve, and then you can do the same over here. I like to add a few wrinkles at the waist before coming down here and drawing the line for the shirt to to end, just the hem, I don't know what you call that. It's just the bottom of the shirt. I'm gonna have her drawing. I'm gonna have her wearing a skirt. I'm just gonna come down like this. And then I draw these kind of curved lines down here for the wrinkles. After I've done that, of course, I'm going to have to erase the legs. And then draw these lines on the inside of the skirt that are going to make the wrinkles look like wrinkles. Shoes are pretty easy. What you do is you just make a curved line. Yes, curved line. And then you just fill in that area there. And then she has shoes. Amazing. It's just kind of a final touch, really. I'm gonna erase this part at the top of the hair. I'm gonna draw rectangle, and then these, I don't know what you call them, kind of a blend between rectangles and triangles, and then boom, we have a cute bow. Well, I think it's cute. Now that we have this portion done, or the sketch, I'm actually going to go into time lapse. I'm going to finish this up, and then I'll come back and give you some final remarks. See you in a second. Okay, well, thank you all so much for watching. This is the finished result. I basically just went in with the pen, inked it in, and then shaded the hair and stuff. I also added this little like belt because I thought that looked cute. But yeah, that's it. That's how you draw a chibi. Next week I'm actually going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to take this sketchbook. It's kind of enormous, so it's hard to see, but I'm going to paint this sketchbook. You can sort of see the papers inside. And I'm going to paint the cover. And there's the spot right there. It's a little sad. Well, I guess I'm going to paint over it, so it's not that big a deal. But I'm going to paint this next week. It's going to be really cool. So yeah, tune in next week to see that. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye! Okay, Seth. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by drawing a circle.
Okay.
Like that. Okay? Can you do that?
Okay. How did I do?
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw 2 lines down. Like that.
In the middle or down here?
So on the sides.
Oh.
You're going to go.
Yeah, I learned this on one of the videos on how to draw Aang. If anybody of you are here watching this, wondering who Aang is from Avatar: The Last Airbender.
I'm pretty sure people know who Aang is, bro.